so we're bailing. I'm getting ready to have to drop a bale. And then there's the other baler. I'm getting quite a bit of wrapping on my PTO shaft, but dropping hay. There's a lot of hay here. I mean, we're dropping bales like crazy. It's really hard to drive this drive this thing and film that other baler, but you know, I'm already, and I'm doing a terrible job right now, but all this hay was raked, and so it's, you know, we didn't rake it together, we just rolled it, so it's, you gotta kind of pay attention to it, but yeah, that's kind of what's going on. So see, I'm getting ready to have to drop another bale again. There we go. Another bale. Is he gonna have to drop another one? Yes, he is. Sorry about the jitters on the camera. I'm not used to it yet. Especially having the view and everything. This is that new, it's a handy cam, and I'm kind of really liking it. But yeah, I've already got, I made just one round. This will be, I haven't even made 1.5 rounds yet, and I'm already at 20 bales. So that's kind of what it's like going into the machine. I've got some wrapping down there on my drive line. It's so tall, it got up next to the drive line and it wrapped around it, but that's okay. My plastic guards are gone. We should use them, we don't. We don't tie them, so they get all beat to hell, and they're usually beat to hell when I get them anyway, because they're used balers. But yeah, that's what the bales are looking like, and this is real time. We're running kind of 68-inch bales, 69-inch bales, and this stuff is not taking long. And there's a picking the bale out and sucking her back in. So yeah, he's ahead of me right now, just by a little bit, but I've been running slower in this thing, and I've been filming him. But yeah, so that's kind of what's going on. Just finally running 2 balers. As I said, it rained on it earlier, so it's kind of dried down enough. But they're just, I mean, I'm just shoving hay into this thing. That's how you, if you bale hay like this all day long, you'll blow out bearings on these balers. They're working so hard that it'll happen after a while. But anyways, I gotta get back to it. I had to completely rebuild one half of the pickup, and I should probably rebuild the other half, all new cam bearings and everything in it, but I didn't have time, so I'm gonna holler at you guys later. Alright, we're back. Still making more bales. Getting my turnaround. And I just kind of, getting it turned around here a little too tight, but We're just about finished one tower, and this tower is maybe 17 acres worth of hay, and we should probably do 200 bales on this one tower. So yeah, maybe a little bit less than that. I don't know how many bales are on my dad's counter, but I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, that's terrible. This is a little bit harder to use this camera, but so we're hoping. I'm hoping that we're doing probably 10 bales to the acre. So that should put us somewhere around 500 bales when on this job, which is nice. Yeah, it's nice, nice addition, nice cash. I got a lot of bills, but yeah, so it is kind of a low spot, but we are just shoving that thing full. Sorry about the terrible camera skills. I'm not used to you holding this thing like my phone yet, so yeah, we're just shoving that thing full of hay. You can just watch it just scream on up there. This one, yeah, see, it says I'm doing a terrible job. I've got one of my sensors is off. See, look at that. It's like I'm a professional. Just a second though, you guys thought I was an amateur. But one of my sensors on this thing is really sticky, and it doesn't like to. See, look at that. I've closed it, and it's all wonky. But yeah, they're doing pretty good so far. I'm happy. There's a spot where I got my swather stuck. That's a kind of a bad thing about pivot track. And the bales look good, so we're just gonna bail on. Just keep on bailing. I definitely need the money. So another 500 bales plus the cutting of 400 acres would be a nice big paycheck. And if you know anything about the cattle market right now, how terrible it is, that's why I'm doing custom hay, is to try to finance my cattle losses. And looks like we're gonna lose more money again this year, which is a terrible thought, but that's just the reality of it. And it's getting tough. It's getting real tough. Yeah. It's not an easy business to be in. I don't want to get on my soapbox today, but it's kind of hard not to anymore. When everyone you talk to all says the same thing. We're all just losing money like it's the cool thing to do. But so it'll change, and whether we're here when it changes or not, that's yet to be seen. I hope that we are. But anyways, we'll get you some more footage.